Space, the final frontier.
April 4th, 2010, I met my husband. I wanted to make us a card that commemorates that day. And since we're both uber Star Trek fans, I thought it'd be great to make a Happy First Contact Day card. That's the one thing Star Trek has that you can sort of represent it like Star Wars has May the 4th be with you. So I'm trying to do this version, though my knowledge of the CNC is proving to be a little problematic. So much to learn with the CNC. I thought I had this measured where it needed to be, but that finger's just sneaking off the edge. And then for this side, because I was going to do both sides, but look what happened. It poked through. I had measured with my handy dandy little tool here what the millimeters were for this card, but evidently my board is warped. So now some of them, I gotta contend for that when I'm doing this. Bugger. How's that for a solution? I made a little Star Trek symbol to cover up the hole. And then I'm going to try and do this guy on the scroll saw. I don't know how. To put on the other side to cover up the mistake there. It may be a wash, but we'll see. So this isn't quite what I was going for with my original design. But I'm not too disappointed in it. I couldn't get that to cut out on the scroll saw.